Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Your Crypto Family. Today we are going to discuss about Pi projects. Pi is one of the projects that we trust so much out there, and we have put an effort in a place since years now. So today there is an important information that we are going to that I'm going to review to you. But before then, let me click on the mining section. Let it start mining. So as you can see, if you watch Pi closely, you know that alright, sorry for the advertisement, is from the system itself. So as you can see, I have activated my mining section of today. So, and this is the very important information concerning this particular application which I'm about to reveal to you. And I said, you must complete your liveness check. Your KYC result and migration are pending because you need to complete additional liveness check. Complete these steps now to unblock yourself in the process. Doing it later will cause delay in your KYC and receiving your Pi. So as you can see, and I say, why do we need this? They said, well, only thing you need to do now is to click on this continue button. As you can see, it's been written over here that if do it later will delay your migration. So only thing you need to do is to click on the start continue button. Once you click on the continue button, it will take you directly to the main page where you can. It will take you to camera. So it will definitely take you to camera. So just hold on a bit, it's coming. So as you can see, it's here. So they ask you to verify your email. So which of email do you want to confirm? So of course, all of them is the same as for me. So you click on update. Then the next thing is the place that they ask you to place your identification. So just hold on, the network is bad. If not, there will be an image over here, but the network is bad. So look at what they said. Get good lighting, whole face visible, stable camera, position your face in a good way, follow the instruction. So, and I said, no face cover, no dark light, no multiple people, no face filter. So you can obey the rules. So you click on I'm ready. So once you click I'm ready, so it will take you to a camera direct. So after you complete your verification, it will be verify on your dashboard. So that is one thing about it. So another thing you need to understand is that you need to check the mainnet checklist. Just check the mainnet checklist. Just click on the three-line button over here. Let's click on it. Then you click on this place. So another thing you need to check is your checklist, your mainnet checklist. So it must be in this form. If it is in this form, you are good to go. It means you have done everything perfect, but they actually want you to do what? To verify yourself, to know that you're a real human. That is why they ask you to take your camera over there. So just make sure you perform the task. As you can see, as for me, I was automatically migrated because I was having an issue with my KYC. As you can see what they told me over here, they said, congratulations, you have been added to a automatic migration field. Your transferable balance will be migrated into your wallet on the mainnet blockchain. After the transfer of the mainnet, there will be a 14 days pending period. The unlocked portion will be free to use immediately after the 14 days pending period, when the locked portion will be transferred only after the expiration of your selected lockup duration. So what are they suggesting? What are they insinuating in this particular place? Your unlocked file will be transferable only after the expiration of your selected lockup duration. So let me show you what they are talking about in that particular area, which they said, from the day that we started mining this particular project, they asked us to lock it up for a period of years, which I automatically locked it for 3 years. So as you can see, I take it fully to the end. As you can see over here, take it fully to the end. So if you want to adjust it now, they'll tell you say no because it's already updated. So let me just say I want to adjust it. So let me say I want to adjust it now. So they will tell you no, already committed. You can only increase your setting at this point after the initial mainnet balance is pushed. You can decrease the settings again, which will affect your lockup bonus. So the good thing about this is that they said after they release your main balance to the balance section, then they will be able to make any amendment or any adjustment from this particular place. And at the same time, according to their statement over there, they said that after you reach these 3 years before they can unlock this particular balance that will remain. Remember that not all that they will release to you now. They will release to you according to the performance of your team. So that is what they will release to you. As for me, as I can see my balance, and this is not transferable balance due to what my team, money of them does not pass the KYC or pass the mainnet checklist. That is the reason they give me a little amount of it. So this is what I'm going to receive as of now, but later on they can release this if they wish. So and another thing you need to understand is that if you want to increase your portion of your transferable balance, you click on this, then you need to remember to let your team to know that they should go and perform the mainnet checklist or KYC as well. So this is what is being in this particular place. So do well to do the same if you have the opportunity, if you can still remember your referrals, because this particular project has taken time and many have given up and few people are still engaging themselves on it. So that is the reason why this particular thing is being pending. So as for me, I have not performed this particular information, but I will definitely do so. Just go ahead and do the same thing. So I think we have come to the end of this video. So the only thing you need to understand is that this particular information is always relevant. This information that I put in this place is always relevant because that is where they are heading to. As you can see, important message for pioneers who have not migrate to a mainnet yet. Check step 3 of mainnet checklist to make sure you complete 2 factors authentication for your Pi wallet. This is an essential requirement for the mainnet migration. So and that is all, and that is exactly what they're talking about. So as you can see, mainnet checklist reminder. So go ahead and perform your checklist reminder, your checklist by making sure that all your data is in this form. If it is in this form, honestly, you are good to go. So that is all you need to understand concerning this project as of today. As we wait for the further information, just make sure you keep on mining, keep on activating your Pi account so that you will stand a chance to gain your effort in due time. So if you like this particular information, do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also make sure you share to your friends for them to understand and also follow the step as well. So be safe and always remember to do what is right in appropriate time. So be safe and bye.